Ken from Alliance with a sweet message, S-U-I-T-E. Today I want to show you a couple cool machines that we have on the floor. These are our new F-Series line of equipment. They come with a lot of great features. These two machines were built for cleaning a cast magnesium automotive part. So one of the really cool things about the F-Series is we can incorporate our H.I.G.H.T.S system. H-E-I.G.H.T.S. High efficiency indirect gas heated tank system. It's an awesome feature on these machines. It's not only available on the F-Series, but it's also field retrofittable. It's a patent pending design, so it's exclusive to Alliance machines. And one of the really cool things is there's a huge savings on energy consumption. We can take machines like this down from 90 full load amps to approximately 30. So your energy savings is phenomenal. So when we're thinking about developing people, process, and products, we think about suite. And the H.I.G.H.T.S system hits on all these points very effectively. Sustainable. Lowers overall energy consumption versus electric heat and direct fired burner packages. System can run 90 to 95% efficient versus 60 to 70 with conventional burners. Reduces exhaust stack emissions, which is a great sustainability feature. Unique. This design is so unique that we've applied for patent protection. Allows Alliance the ability to incorporate in newly built machines or can be field retrofit to existing Alliance equipment. Innovative. Conventional gas heating systems are typically configured with a serpentine burner tube. This system eliminates fixed immersion tubes, which are very difficult to service. Our heat exchangers are easily removed for cleaning and replacement. Timely. With the H.I.G.H.T system, we incorporate industrial grade heating units that we keep in stock for faster machine deliveries. Unlike conventional burners, our supplier delivery times are a couple weeks, not months. Economical. Not only is the H.I.G.H.T system more economical to manufacture, it's more economical from an operation perspective. We have seen equipment payback times that are 12 months or less, which is a huge value for our customers. This is where the magic happens for the H.I.G.H.T system. Contact us today to learn more about this new and innovative product. Ken from Alliance, have a sweet day.